Good morning, sixth graders. So today you're going to be starting your task 3 of Criterion D. You are going to still be using the design journal template that you were given on Monday to work on your task 3. So you'll still be using that document. Just today we're going to be working on the third task. So we finished the first one on Monday and the second one on Wednesday. Now today we're going to be working on the third. In this third task, you are going to compare your educational game to an existing one, okay? So you're going to look for strengths and weaknesses in your game by comparing it to the existing one. Then you'll write a concluding paragraph that explains how your design could be improved. So if we look at this example that I've added here, we have a photo of an existing product and then a photo of a student's design. Then they look at the advantages and disadvantages of their product. They create two sides here, advantages of my product and disadvantages of my product. So in this comment here, they're saying that their product is more colorful, right? But over here they're saying there's less places to store things. So we're putting the positive things on the left side and the negatives on the right. The student makes quite a few observations about strengths and weaknesses of the design, and then they create an explanatory paragraph that describes how their product could be improved based on these observations that they made. I've highlighted here some different leading words that I think are important, like from the above table, right? Although this is happening, and therefore for the conclusion. So these are some words I think would be useful to include in your own descriptive paragraph, so I've highlighted them there for you. This person just needs to point out areas, preferably between 2 and 3 areas where things could be improved in your design. That's what you need to do. So using this table here, you'll put in a picture of an existing educational game. Then you'll put in a picture of yours there. You'll highlight the advantages of your game and the disadvantages of it here. You can always add more rows by clicking Insert Row below, just like we know. And you will then write your conclusion in this part down below. To complete your assignment for today, you will have to submit a screenshot of the work that you completed on task 3 in this document here. Here you'll enter the screenshot of your finished task 3, that finished table. Once you finish it, you'll insert the photo here and turn this in on Google Classroom. Remember, this is so you do not lose access to your design journal by turning in your design journal before we finish all of Criterion D. As a tip, for the existing product that you look at, you can use the same design, the same existing game that you looked at and were inspired by in task 3 of Criterion A. So if you remember, when we began task 3 of Criterion A, you had to use, let's see, this template, where is it? You had to use you had to look at an educational toy and then insert the you had to look at the educational toy and analyze it, right, and describe it in task 3. So if you look for task 3 of Criterion A, you'll be able to find a toy or game that you already analyzed and you already looked at. To help you make this task easier, you can just put that same toy, that same game right here, the one that we already did in task 3 of Criterion A. So today we're finishing task 3 of Criterion D. You're comparing your design to an existing design and then examining areas that your design could be improved based on the observations from above. You will submit a screenshot of your finished work using this document here, not turning in your design journal, and then you are finished for the day. I hope that you have a wonderful spring break, and I will talk to you guys after. Have a great rest of your day and a great break. Bye!